The RocRow L8058 DTF Printer is a powerful and efficient A4 transfer printing machine designed for DIY enthusiasts and custom printing professionals alike. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this printer in the description below at the latest price. This printer incorporates the advanced XP600 printhead and a newly upgraded motherboard to deliver outstanding print quality with vibrant, rich colors and sharp details, boasting an ultra-clear maximum resolution of 2880 by 1440 dpi. The 6-color CMYK plus WW system ensures precise color accuracy and brightness, making it ideal for producing stunning custom designs on a variety of fabrics. Speed is a critical factor in any production environment, and the L8058 excels here by offering a printing speed twice as fast as its predecessors, thanks to its stable XP600 printhead and dual feeding system that supports both sheet and roll media. This allows users to complete larger orders in less time while maintaining exceptional quality. In addition, the printer's design reduces maintenance time by 50%, helping to minimize downtime and maximize productivity, which is perfect for businesses looking to scale their printing operations efficiently. The compact and lightweight design of the RocRow L8058 makes it a versatile solution for various workspaces. Weighing only 16 kilograms and requiring half the space of typical A3 DTF printers, this machine is easy to relocate and install, whether in a home studio or a busy workshop. Along with the printer, users receive a pre-configured laptop that eliminates common installation headaches by coming preloaded with Windows and all necessary drivers. This ensures a seamless, private, and secure printing environment that prevents slowdowns caused by multitasking or software conflicts. One of the standout features is the automated white ink mixing system combined with a 2-in-1 cleaning and waste ink collection mechanism, which prevents printhead clogging, a common issue in white ink printing. This feature guarantees smooth ink flow and consistent output without the interruptions of manual cleaning, resulting in less wasted ink and more reliable operation. The printer also includes a smooth paper suction system that prevents paper jams, wrinkles, or warped edges, ensuring a flawless transfer film experience every time. Versatility is another key strength of the L8058, as it supports printing on a broad range of fabrics including cotton, polyester, denim, leather, and even athletic mesh. The complete package offers everything needed to get started immediately, including the printer, handheld heat press, multiple ink sets, transfer films, DTF powder, cleaning liquids, software with tutorial videos, and essential accessories. This all-in-one solution is designed to simplify the setup process and help users achieve professional quality prints with ease.